Hey guys! Good morning! Today is a Friday and we're going to Veco. Mag-apply tayo for our electricity sa bahay natin. First step natin, and we have a water line na it's free na within our developer. But for Veco, you need to apply separately since they still need to like check your account. Yung gagawin natin now. So start na yung series natin na sa bahay. Like the renovations, applications to like this, like utilities, internet connection. Hey guys, I'm done na with Veco. Cleared tayo. So basically, proceed na lang with developer. Doon naman nandun yung files ko and then the IDs and everything. And we'll have to pay na lang for the installation.
Time check, it's 4:36 p.m. On my way to Ayala. That's their Facebook page. Basically, they help people with back pain. Decided to make an appointment. Sakit na ng likod ko.
Our food, guys. This is nasi goreng ayam. This is shallow kebab. We have huge servings, guys. This is for Toby. Hey guys, good morning. Today is May 6th and I'm heading to our house super early. It's still 7:24 actually. Dapat earlier pa. Be constructing the kitchen area. Today yung schedule. Dapat andun ako by 8 pero medyo naalanganin tayo sa time. Pero dala ko na yung everything. Like induction natin and then other chandelier drop lights. Yeah, we're starting early so maybe I'll go to Starbucks first to get some coffee.
Good morning everyone. We're super early today. Time check is 7:41 and we are on our way to the house. Delivery na ng mga appliances namin. TV, aircon, refrigerator. So all of those we ordered via Abenson.
We're back again here sa house. Sorry if ganito yung sura ko. And merong fan kasi we still don't have an AC here. So this will be our work area, our office sa house. So ginawa muna namin siyang stock area with all our supplies na needed for the post-construction like the lighting, curtains and everything. So we have shop lights. Meron kaming dalawang threes. Ito. We also have the twos. Then we also have an outdoor wall lamp. We have 2 of this for our balconette. We also have the rods, dalawang super big. The others are smaller na. We also bought shower curtain rod because we still don't have the glass na partition for our bathroom. The house is still in warranty. So basically, everything will be as is. So just except the kitchen part kasi nagpa-renovate na kami doon. So as is na everything. Especially the CR kasi, you know, whenever there's leaking or something, at least it's still covered by the warranty. So, di muna namin ito-touch yan. So maybe after the warranty period, we'll go with the renovation. And this one, puno to ng curtains. We have the sheer curtains in the middle, and then the blackout curtains for our bedroom. Di kami nagpa-customize ng curtains sa second floor kasi it's too expensive. Like super expensive niya, guys. Ground floor lang yung customize natin na curtains. Mahal siya, guys. Like super. So, sa second floor natin, okay lang naman. Kasi hindi naman siya masyadong, you know, hindi naman tayo mag-shoot always dito sa second floor. Except sa office area. Kasi yung office area din namin, blinds din to siya. Kasi para hindi siya masyadong cozy. Kasi kung cozy, di ba, mahirap mag-work. So, yun. That's the update.
The brown one, the green one, ano?
Another shopping day, but it's not for clothing or something, it's for the house.
Say hi. Chicken teriyaki and pork adobo.
Ano siya ba?